So there's a Samsung fridge today, and cooling issue is the ice maker's stopped working, and you can see there's a big ice buildup over there, and also it's leaking from here. So both common things on this fridge. So we need to service the drain system, which is located over there, and we will be installing a drain extender which will prevent the issue from coming back, and we will be removing this ice buildup. Also, the second appliance I have here today is the oven. Basically what's happening, this flame is a little bit too high, but that's normal, it's a propane one, but the switch is not working, it's getting stuck. So we'll be replacing the whole valve assembly so it won't get stuck, especially when it's open. So that's it, and we'll get it done today.